The fact that every Tesla car is capable of full self-driving, every car we build and have built for the last several years is capable of full self-driving is pretty wild, and most people don't know that. So, and then we've got the first car that is specifically built for unsupervised full self-driving to be a Robotaxi. It's called a Cybercab. It doesn't even have pedals or a steering wheel. Yeah. So there's no side view mirrors. There's no yeah. So it's very much optimized for the lowest cost per mile in an autonomous mode. And that production is happening right here in this factory, and we'll be starting production in April next year. So the way that Cybercab is designed is it's designed obviously for a purely autonomous world, but also the manufacturing system is unlike any other car. The manufacturing system of the Cybercab, it's closer to a high volume consumer electronics device than it is a car manufacturing line. So the net result is that I think we should be able to achieve, I think ultimately less than a 10-second cycle time, basically a unit every 10 seconds. Maybe ultimately take a few years to get there, but it's theoretically possible to get to a 5-second production time. And so what that would mean is you could get on a line that would normally produce, say, 500,000 cars a year at a 1-minute cycle time, like Model Y, this would be maybe as much as 2 or 3 million. Maybe ultimately, it's theoretically possible to achieve a 5 million unit production line if you can get to the 5-second cycle time. So. It's a lot of cars. So these will be everywhere in the future.